I think with all these dolphin here, those trout are gonna leave, or they're gonna stay right up by those rocks. There he is. Come on, be a better trout. It is. Oh, that was a big old trout. He came off. That was pretty funny, that dolphin. I was pulling in a trout and that dolphin came, just set up out of the water, looking at me. Looked like my Labrador asking for a treat. Ooh, that was a slam. I think this is a good trout. It is, it's a nice trout. Yes, baby. Just stuck that hook right in my hand. 16 inches. That hook went in my finger, went in my thumb, and that trout jerked his head and it yanked it out. I got lucky. There it is. Feels like a good one, if it's a trout. It is, nice trout. His keeper was casting the opposite way that time, working against the tide. There he is, back-to-back cast. This feels like a better one. Come on. Ooh, there's a dolphin. I was just about to say, the dolphins are gonna leave me alone. It didn't take them long to show back up. 14 inches.